Sri Lanka, the island of serendipity entrenched in the Indian Ocean, is enriched with a cultural heritage that dates back over 2,500 years, by which we have inherited ruins of ancient kingdoms and discoveries of archaeological significance. Spread across 65,610 square kilometers are the wonders of nature and inheritance, with over 1,300 kilometers of untouched beaches and coastline, embraced by turquoise blue waters. Nearly 195,000 hectares of flourishing tea plantations. 870 square kilometers of cascading waterfalls, rivers, and other water splendors. Acres of land dedicated to wildlife inhabitants, and the most culturally significant 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Hidden wonders come to life when heading towards the misty highlands of the country. The scenery almost unreal, with gushing narrow valleys and acres of green shrubs rooted into steep rolling hillsides that randomly rise into jagged yet alluring mountainous peaks. Nuwara Eliya, among which is a highlight in the Central Highlands, is situated at an altitude of 1,868 meters, where the breeze is cooler and the temperature has even dropped to a mere 3 degrees Celsius. Amidst all this scenic beauty is Rosedale Holiday Bungalow. Few minutes away from Nuwara Eliya town and overlooking the calming waters of Gregory's Lake. Rosedale Bungalow consists of 4 luxurious bedrooms, 3 of which offers king-size beds, while 2 single beds are provided in the other. All rooms are equipped with heating facilities, other essential amenities, and features attached modern bathrooms with hot water. It's in a unique location. Away from the busy life of the city, but within quick reach. Hence, a breathtaking view at any given time of the day can be witnessed from each of the bedrooms. The most awe-inspiring is either early morning or late afternoon, when the surrounding lake becomes almost invisible due to the cold and cloudy mist. It can rightfully be defined as a holiday home, as it's an ideal location for family and friends to spend quality time together, having fun and creating wonderful memories. The cozy and spacious living area in the bungalow offers musical instruments and karaoke to create a party atmosphere that could make the evening gatherings extra special. The bungalow has a child-friendly large garden space enhanced by beautiful flowers and greenery that enriches the overall outlook of the property. In addition, it consists of a sitting area with outdoor benches, swing chairs, and a colorful play area that will make the holiday even more relaxing and enjoyable. Rosedale can accommodate up to 16 individuals and provides additional features such as satellite TV, Wi-Fi barbecue facility, 2 resident cooks who can create scrumptious meals each time as per guest request, and an in-house caretaker. Guests can engage in numerous activities that are available in the hill country of Nuwara Eliya, of which trekking, hiking, horse racing, hill climbing, motor racing, and golf are known to be the most significant attractions of all. Set in the center of the town of Nuwara Eliya, Lake Gregory was created under the patronage of Sir William Gregory in 1873. Visitors now have the opportunity to treat themselves to boating and rowing activities in the lake. The area adjacent to the lake is being further developed as a tourist zone by the government of Sri Lanka. The racecourse comes alive, especially during the month of April. Fervent individuals can enjoy the game along with many locals, as well as tourists that come from afar just to be amidst the horse-trotting arena. The Lover's Leap waterfall, with its water cascading from a rock which is 30 meters in height, situated just off Nuwara Eliya, can easily be viewed from the bungalow. Built in 1891 by the colonial British tea planters, the Nuwara Eliya Golf Club offers an 18-hole golf course and many more recreational facilities. Yet another unique destination is the Horton Plains National Park. This national park, controlled and maintained by the Wildlife Department of Sri Lanka, is the highest plateau in the island. The plains are breathtakingly silent and strange, yet ever so inviting the nature lovers and trekking, hiking enthusiasts alike. Hagala Botanical Gardens illustrates the epitome of flora and lushness of nature. Resting on the foot of the Hagala Peak, this is the highest set botanic gardens in the world.